Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Luverne Side Step Kit 9.5-inch grip step for the RAM ProMaster. Let's get into it. All right, so this is the 9.5-inch grip step we're going to open. This can be used with a bunch of different vehicles. You can buy it as the step alone, or you can buy it with the step and the brackets. Just want to make sure that if you're expecting to attach it with the brackets, that you buy the brackets along with it and don't just buy this step by itself. So this is how it's shipped. This is a 9.5-inch wide step. It's 54 inches wide. It's typically used on the passenger side sliding door, like you can see behind me, on like a ProMaster or a Sprinter or a Transit. We're gonna be using this on the ProMaster. And so just as I open this, you can see we have a bag of hardware here. This looks like it's might be stainless steel. Also on top here, we have the install guide that shows you how to essentially attach the grip step to brackets. Again, the brackets are gonna be in a different box or sold separately depending on how you buy it. We have, looks like some steel plates in here. Pull tab to open. All right, okay. There's some powder coated black steel brackets. Looks like there's 3 of them in here. Look like this, have little square holes in them. So, yep, so we've got carriage bolts here and some lock nuts. They're gonna be working with those. And then here is the main item in this box, and it is our grip step. And this is 9.5 inches by 54 inches, and you can just see here how beastly yet slim this is, because there are some other side steps that you can get for the ProMaster that are just bulkier and thicker, but this is a nice step. You're gonna fit a boot on there, no problem. You're not gonna slide off of that. You can see these little perforations that are in here, along with some, serrated edges that are gonna give you a nice grip step to step on when you need to get into the side of the van. If you've got a van like the one behind me without a step, it's quite a step to get into the van. There's no kind of integrated side step like the Transit has or the Sprinter. So the ProMaster really does need a side step to make it easy to get in and out of there. Now again, because of this design, you're not gonna worry about buildup of snow and ice and mud and stuff like that. Any moisture that comes through here is just gonna wash through these grates essentially. It's gonna keep it nice and clean. Now again, you're gonna wanna purchase a bracket kit to attach this to the vehicle. If you're replacing maybe a damaged one or something like that and your brackets are intact, you can just buy this step to replace it. Otherwise, you're gonna make sure that you get that bracket kit as well. Now this is a steel product, like I mentioned. It's powder coated black. It does come with a lifetime warranty. I believe there's only a 3-year warranty on the finish of the paint, which is expected. All right, we have our bracket kit here. Ships like this in a box. This is specific for the RAM ProMaster. The way that Luverne sells their steps is usually you're gonna see a string of numbers, then a dash, then a string of numbers. And one of those numbers is for a bracket kit, and the second set of numbers is for the step. So you're gonna wanna buy a step in conjunction with these brackets if you haven't gotten the kit. Here we actually have some accessories that are included in the Fleet kit. This is a reflective sticker that can be placed on the side of the step. We have one bracket here. I believe, I don't want to be wrong on this, but I believe this attaches to the vehicle underneath, and then you get your step up right here. Let's see if there's any stamping on this to see if there's like a forward or rear. Doesn't look like it. Got some nice dunnage in here. I love seeing that kind of stuff when you're shipping metal brackets around. Here we have a second bracket. It looks quite a bit different, so there's no stamping required to differentiate those. Got a third bracket here. So this is for a 54-inch step, I believe. So you've got plenty of bracketry involved here. We got a nice hardware bag. Looks like we've got some hex bolts, some washers, lock nuts, take back, yeah, lock nuts. And I thought I saw, yeah, some lock washers and then some other various bracketry in there as well. And then we have here another bracket. We also have here in the box is our installation instructions. Again, this is going to be instructions on how to attach the brackets to the vehicle. Photos in here and everything that makes it nice and easy to figure out what you're doing when you're underneath the side of the van there. And then there's going to be, again, you're going to buy a step with these brackets. You're going to have separate instructions on how to attach the step to brackets. So we have our nice little bracket kit here for the side step on our RAM ProMaster. Everything you need in the box. Nice powder coated black steel brackets, hardware kit, little reflective tape here, and installation instructions, everything you need to get going. So if we put it all together, this is everything that you're gonna get in that Grip Step XL kit for the RAM ProMaster. You're gonna get your 9.5 inch by 54 inch side step here. You're going to get your brackets for attaching the step to the van, all the hardware, installation instructions, everything you need to get your side door set up with this step. Now, if you're looking for this product or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.